No está aqui com Miss USA Noelia, vamos conversar um pouquinho com ela. Miss USA, wonderful to be able to meet you. We are just one day away from the final night. What is going through your mind?
That this has been an incredible experience, and I'm grateful to have even made it here. It's very difficult to win Miss USA, and I competed 3 times in the past to win a state title to be able to then advance to Miss USA, and those 3 times I was first runner-up. And it's very possible that had I won any of those times before, that I would have never won Miss USA, and I might not even be here today. So I'm very grateful that I was able to represent my country here at Miss Universe and make my mark and make history as well as the first Venezuelan American woman to win Miss USA. And it's important to me to represent that community of people. So I'm very proud that I had the opportunity to do that. I'm excited for finals tomorrow, but I'm also a little sad because it's all going to be over tomorrow.
That's what I wanted to ask you. After this whole experience, what is the most important thing that you want to leave the Miss Universe experience with?
Yeah. I just hope that I represented my country the best that I could. I am the child of an immigrant. My mom is from Venezuela, like I mentioned. So, you know, there's so many immigrants in the United States of America and children of immigrants. So, you know, my mom is an immigrant and I'm the child of her. So there's hundreds, if not thousands or millions of people like that I'm hoping to be able to represent because they make up so much of our country. The U.S. is incredibly diverse, and I just hope to be a symbol of unity and diversity and inclusivity and acceptance, and showing people that it doesn't matter your background, we should actually embrace that because that's what makes the U.S. so culturally rich and diverse.
Okay. Were you able to meet our delegate from Aruba, Carol?
Yes, I did. I love her. She's so sweet. Yesterday we had some Telemundo interviews together and she was wonderful. Yeah, she's really great.
So I'm going to teach you a very easy sentence in our local language, papiamento.
Yes.
It means mitastimaboso,
Okay.
and that is I love you guys. So
Okay.
mitastimaboso.
Mitastimaboso.
Perfect. Your greetings to Aruba and the world.
Hello, Aruba. I love your country. I've actually been to Aruba before, and my mom vacationed there when she was younger. I guess it's not, not too far from Venezuela, and so she has a lot of stories about going to Aruba that she shared with me. So I love your country. Thank you so much for the support. I'm also rooting for your girl, Aruba. She's incredible. So thank you all so much for the love and support.